In this video, I'm going to show you how to place a pin in Google Maps. Now this will work on both iPhone and Android devices. So to go and drop a pin in Google Maps, we first just need to select the location we want to place the pin. You can then go and zoom in if needed, and all we need to do is hold down our finger on the place you want to place this pin, and as you can see, this will now drop a pin. Now there's a few things we can do, so we can get directions to this specific pin. You can also save this for future reference, and this is also helpful when we want to create routes between different pins. So you can go and press save, and you can either create a new list or save this to a list that already exists. You can also add a label as well, and that just makes it easier to reference in the future. You can go and remove the label just by clicking edit label, and you can go and delete the text like so and press done. Now you can also share this pin to your contacts to give someone directions to this place. You can hit the share button in the top navigation. You can either copy this as a link and send this directly to someone, or you can press share this place, and then you can just select one of the apps from your list such as Messenger, and you can go and share this directly in the app. So that's it guys, let me know in the comments if you found this video helpful.